So here we have find the slant asymptote, okay? So if you notice, the degree was a 2 and the degree was a 1. And so the 2 is 1 more than the denominator. That's why we have a slant asymptote. So now they want us to actually find it. And the way we find it is using something that we did in class before, synthetic division. So if I'm going to use synthetic division for this, my coefficients are 2, -5, and 7. And since I'm dividing by x minus 2, I'm going to use 2 as my number that goes on this side. So I bring down the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. -5 plus 4 is -1. 2 times -1 is -2. 7 plus -2 is 5. Okay, so remember that the last number represents your remainder. And what we want here is the slant asymptote is going to be whatever our quotient is. So since we started with something that was x squared, we go with 1 power less, so this would be 2x minus 1. So my slant asymptote is 2x minus 1. Okay, so we use synthetic division there to find that asymptote.